what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Diecastcarworld video. Today, we're going to unbox another car from Amazon, and hopefully it's not a scam like last time. And today, yeah, it's gonna be more exciting because I ordered a mystery color, so I don't know whatsoever like what color this car is. So that's gonna be a mystery color, and yeah, that's pretty exciting. But yeah, anyways, hopefully it's not a scam. It's a Maisto 4GT. Let's see how it is. And here it is, everyone. It's a 4GT, and it's in blue. Yes, it's in blue. This is one of the colors that I definitely wanted because yeah, there's like some yellow color and the red. It didn't look good on this car. But the gray with the black stripes or this blue is probably one of the better colors for this car, and they gave us the blue, which is fantastic. So yeah, this is looking great. I'm very glad about my choice here. So yeah, that's cool. A blue 4GT. And yeah, I should have gotten this a while ago because this came out like 2-3 years ago, right? But yeah, I got it now. It's on sale on Amazon. And yeah, like I said, it was a mystery color, which is very cool. It's very interesting. I never ordered a mystery color before. But yeah, they actually gave us a good color. So I'm very, very excited about that. So on the back here, there's like some other Premier Edition, Special Edition, assembly line for Maisto models. And yeah, I don't know why the box is a little damaged over here, but I'm sure it will be fine. But yeah, it looks great. Very excited to open this up. Let's do that right now. Would you look at this beautiful car? Wow, that looks good. That blue is just amazing. It's like the launch spec almost. Yeah. What else can I say? I mean, wheels look nice in this gray color. This is a fantastic spec, really. I'm very happy with the spec. And I'm so glad they didn't scam me like last time from Amazon. But yeah, here's the car. You can see the inside a little bit. I'll do a review on this car, of course, in the upcoming videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I love making diecast car content, and I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. Alright guys, so I just removed some of the tapes on these parts, and yeah, you can see the door opens upwards like this, which looks great. I'm not sure why. Yeah, there we go. It goes up a little bit more. Yeah, hopefully that's in the right like height. Yeah, so the door's a little bit rough. I'm not sure why, but I think it will be fine. There we go. But yeah, you can see all the little details as well, like carbon everywhere, like carbon right there. You can see that. They did a great job. Maisto models are going up, like they're doing much better than way before, where their models were kind of bad. But now they look great, honestly. Like we got carbon right here. Yeah, and some more carbon probably up here. Yeah, and I'll do more detailed review, of course, like I said, in another video. But yeah, here's the first impressions. Unboxing, looking great. The car shape, like I love the design. Like it's like big, you know. Got the engine in the back and everything. It's fantastic. The color looks really nice. Like I said, the mystery color. It was a gamble. It's a big gamble, of course. Like you don't know what color you're getting. You might be getting that mustard yellow or that bright red, or even the gray. But I've gotten the blue, so I'm very happy with that. I'm very happy with that. So yeah, you can buy it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. And of course, subscribe for more diecast car content. Comment anything, I'll reply to them all. And yeah, there was the unboxing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.